This is an ion exchange multivalve. It is a multifunctioning valve that turns 360 degrees to change across various operations, namely backwash, service, fast rinse, brine refill, slow and brine. You turn it to the left to initiate backwash. It runs for approximately 10 minutes. It is used to clean ion exchange element called resin. Service. You turn it to the right till it clicks twice to fast rinse function. You let it run for a few minutes. It diverts flow of water through the ion exchange process and also allows water to flow to the next stage of filtration. You turn it to the right till it clicks twice to fast rinse function. You let it run for a few minutes. It is used to rinse resin after backwash process. Turn it to the left to initiate filtration. The other two operations are brine refill, slow and brine. They are used to regenerate resin to its initial state and to remove the absorbed ions from it. To disconnect a faulty ion exchange multivalve, you first switch off the machine to prevent any damage. Disconnect all the connectors and the pipes connected to it and carefully unscrew the multivalve from the fiber-reinforced plastic vessel. Once done, unwrap the new one and gently screw it back to the plastic vessel and tightly restore all the connections back as demonstrated on the video.